India mi ka channel Banwan Rak Kubor Baman Lagasmi.
Ha kajing ikren bat kilat pathai khubor ubat lakmen rumboi ulaong ba umintri ketenat Pulit ulaong ba umpat dan jingtip halor kajing dawa kasur kabri Hynniewtrep ban pha pahra hiki Pulit ha kathan jong ka Mawlai hi barok kawai kabasdang nadok ka khat arterik hadok ka khat santerik jong minta ubenai ulaong ru ba ketenat Pulit kan le ya ka badan kam khnang ban pinsuk ya kajing shong suk shong san ha kajela ha kani kajing khe imbiang jong kile no jihadi ha jela Assam umintri ulaong Pulit kidi ban pahra bha bat pet ngor khnang banam ailat ikile no jihadi bikin rong hapo ka jela.
Question is now. I cannot say why the conviction rate is low, but whoever there is a solid proof, which proof beyond reasonable doubt that he is involved, so conviction is there. So that's why I cannot say why. But now the police with this raid seizure and with all this material at hand, I hope with proper investigation, proper charge sheet, and whoever involved, they will be, as I said before, due process of the law or whatever punishment they have to face, they will face within the parameter of the law. Get that report with me. I didn't have that report with me, so I cannot comment on that issue at this juncture. Ngampat ka jingtip na mata ka ka jing ong. The henday na kadyang ka district administration ka police department kan Shym ya kino ki kam ki bari banle nakabanta ban meeting ya ka sukasay kinle ya kata.
Ma'am, what is the...
And moreover, the people all over the state, they are very vigilant, and for any suspicious person or thief, a report have been filed with the police, information have been passed to the police, and the police are doing all necessary. And not only that, regarding the jihadi groups, it is not only the matter only in the state of Meghalaya. The sharing of inputs between the central agencies or other state is being done because this is a national, not only state threat or it's a national threat. So coordination between different state and between different central agency is being done so that no element which put the unity and integrity of the country at risk have any place in India or in the state of Meghalaya. Is taking all necessary steps to see that safety and security of the state is paramount. And in the light of the report that Assam is one of the state where there are some anti-social element or jihadist group, we from the police department, from the government of India, we are taking extra steps so that those anti-social element or jihadist group have no place in the state of Meghalaya.
Ma, recently